Hi, it's Caro from the Energy Experts. I'm here today in Bundanoon with Cherie Hobart.
Hello.
We've got your panels in the background. They look pretty awesome. You had your system installed, I guess, about 3 years ago now.
Probably a bit less than that. Probably about, we're coming up to 2 years this November.
Okay.
We had the panels installed, but we had explored the option for a few months before that.
And what made you decide to jump in then?
I think because there was a good rebate coming back with the government. It was summer. We could capitalise on the sun a lot better than putting it in, say, now. And with the Energy Experts, they were in the village at the time, and talking to them, it appeared that they had a lot of knowledge that gave me an opportunity to research on the internet to see what was best for us.
And what did you find was useful? Was it choosing panels that dealt well with low light, or what was the thing for you?
For us, having the panels that could work half and half, like if half was in shade, the other half still kicked in. A little bit of shade, we still got some. Even on rainy days with very, very little light, we do manage to still score some electricity.
And tell me about your bills since you've had solar installed.
There aren't any.
You don't pay?
But I don't pay. I have not paid an electricity bill since we've had it. And there are times where I haven't paid a gas bill either. We're with the same company. And so when we got onto the plan, we asked if we could offset the gas with the electricity. And there's now an app for that, so I don't even have to call them. So the electric bill comes with all the credits. A week later, the gas bill comes on the app, transfer it over, and no gas bill.
So you don't pay for gas or electricity?
No. Coming winter, we probably have to pay for a little bit of gas because I rather keep warm than freeze.
Yep.
And but it's very, very low. It's incredibly low.
What was your main driver for installing the system?
For me, originally it was environmental. On the farm we had hot water solar, and that made a significant difference to the actual bill. But I also like the idea of my footprint on the planet. And then once I looked into it, I must admit it then went also to financial rewards and the fact that the system will pay for itself within about 3.5 years.
So it's nice that you can tick both boxes there.
Oh, definitely, definitely.
What were your biggest concerns or what was the greatest confusion for you up until the point that you did meet us or get solar installed?
I think the main thing was actually understanding how it worked. What steps needed to be taken, and it looked a bit daunting that you have to get your panels and then a meter and then you've got to ring people to order your meter. But having the Energy Experts, they actually stepped us through that, and when they first arrived they had our house with the panels on it, the number that we needed, what we're going to get back, how long it's going to take to recoup what we've spent, and we could actually see the outlay before we even invested a cent.
So you found that reassuring?
Very reassuring. A lot of pressure was taken off, and it gave me a lot of knowledge to actually go and research before we committed.
Okay. How would you describe your experience with the Energy Experts in general?
I could not recommend the Energy Experts more highly than anything else. The fact that they showed up with all the knowledge, it talks about knowing your craft. When you're an artist or a writer or me, pick here, you have to know your craft to provide a good business. The Energy Experts arrived knowing their craft and gave me options to check out and validate their knowledge before I invested any more of my time or finances. It was very reassuring and relaxing, and also knowing that afterwards if I had something I didn't understand, I could just ring up and say, hi, can you please explain? No problem.
That's great.
It was wonderful.
What would you say to other people who are considering installing a solar power system?
I would say please go for it while the rebates are still out there. It's not as expensive as you think. I would also encourage them to look at what options they have in the quality of the inverter and the panels. And if I may say, I suggest you go for quality rather than something that's cheaper, because it feeds back into your pocket a lot better and a lot quicker.
So spend more to save more?
Oh, definitely, yes.
All right, well, it's been great talking to you today.
Thank you, it's great to see you again.
You too, and I'm pleased to hear your system and see your system's going so well.
It's wonderful. Thank you very much.